I am going to report a very urgent matter today. I will show you with proof how Facebook reads our message without our permission. I am using Android 9. You must try it on your phone. First, I am clearing all the cache and apps data from Facebook app. Storage, clear cache, clear storage. Okay, storage cleared. No permission granted. Okay, it has been done. This time I will delete all junk file of Facebook app again through Google Files app. So here is my Google Files app, apps, Facebook, delete junk deleted. Okay, it also has been done. Now this time I will open my phone's internal storage through Google Files app and delete the folder that Facebook has created in my phone's internal storage. So here is the folder com.facebook.katna. Now I delete the folder. Okay, it has been deleted. Okay, for now everything is in the Facebook app has been cleared. So now I will try to open Facebook. Since I have cleared all the data, Facebook will ask me to log in. So here is the page has been opened. Now I will click on forgot password. Now I need to, sorry, here is a deny. I will not give any permission to Facebook. So here now I need to input my phone number to find my account. Okay. So click on find your account. Now look carefully. Facebook will automatically read the OTP that will came through the message on my mobile, but I did not give any permission to the Facebook app. I click on continue. Now look carefully. Now Look, Facebook automatically detect my message. Now I have to enter a new password. So I just put anything, continue. Now Facebook is asking me for permission to remember password. There is no deny option here, but I will click on another part of the screen without clicking OK. I will click on not now. No, I will not give any permission, so deny. Okay, this time I will close Facebook and show you the app permission option again. So I will close Facebook and here is the app permission. So you can see that no permission granted here. There is even no option to give permission to read message. However, Facebook was able to read the message automatically. Currently, if we do any online transaction or process, our OTP comes through the message. So, how safe is it to keep the Facebook app on our phone? And I am also asking the Information Technology Department of India why you are allowing such behavior on Facebook in India. I am finishing here. After watching the video, if you think that our messages should not be viewed by Facebook without our permission, then you must share the video. Thank you.